In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify store unavailable. If you're seeing a store unavailable message, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few quick fixes. Let's walk through them together so you can get your storefront back online and visible to visitors. First, log into your Shopify admin, head to the Shopify website, click log in, and access your store's admin dashboard. If you can't log in, double check that you're using the correct store address and credentials. Once you're in the admin, you're in the best place to diagnose what's going on. Next, check your plan to make sure your subscription is active. In the admin, go to Settings and open the section related to your plan and billing. If your trial ended or your payment method needs attention, your storefront may not be accessible to the public. Reactivating or updating your billing details usually resolves this quickly. Now, remove password protection if it's still on. From the admin, go to Online Store, then Preferences. Look for password protection. If this is enabled, your store is hidden from the public and only accessible with a password. Toggle it off, save your changes, and your store should be visible to everyone. This is a common oversight if you were working in preview mode or had a coming soon page and forgot to switch it back. If you're still seeing the issue, clear your browser cache and cookies or try a different browser entirely. Cached pages can cause you to see an outdated error even after you've fixed the underlying issue. You can also try a private or incognito window to rule out extensions and stored data. If possible, test from another device or network to confirm it's not a local connection hiccup. Verify your store status to ensure it's published and not restricted. In your online store section, make sure you have a theme published and that the online store sales channel is active. If there are any alerts about account restrictions or compliance holds, you'll see them in the admin. Addressing those notices is essential to restoring access. If the issue persists, contact Shopify support. Open the Help Center from your admin to connect via chat or email. Share your store URL, describe the error message, and note when it occurs. Screenshots help. Support can check your store's configuration and account status on the back end and guide you to a resolution. These steps usually resolve most store unavailable issues. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.